Well, good morning everybody to a not raining morning. Thank goodness. It's cloudy still, but that's okay. It's not pouring like it was non-stop all day yesterday. It was terrible. So yeah, very excited. My photo shoot with my friends Beth and Phil went great this morning. I'll post a few photos here, and here. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time. I don't charge anything for photo shoots. Technically, you can do no commercial photography on Disney grounds, but this was a favor for friends, and I was more than happy to do so. And so we had a great time. It was a lot of fun. And actually, we're meeting them again at 11:30 for brunch at Ohana, which we've never done before. We've done dinner at Ohana, but not the breakfast. So we get to see characters today. Yay! After that, we may go over to the Grand Floridian to see the Gingerbread house. And then we have the Christmas party tonight. And so far, weather looks great. So I'm very excited about that. Yeah, it's good morning. It feels nice outside. It's not raining. We're gonna go get some good food. I feel good today. Very excited. Let's go have a great day. A great last day. Christmas has arrived at the Polynesian. We just barely made it. Our last day, they put up all the Christmas decorations. Aww. Aww. Yay. Oh.
Our welcome bread, pineapple coconut.
Oh my gosh.
Fruit, mixed
Yum.
Great.
Yum.
Oh
boy.
Anne Marie, as you saw.
Yeah.
Our passion orange and guava, our ever famous Stitch juice here. Stitch's favorite.
Juice. Oh
Myself
boy.
and John will be taking care of you all today.
Okay. Oh my god, this bread is so good. Coconut pineapple bread. Oh my god. It's so nice, light and fluffy. First, champagne. Yeah, right. Yeah, the waffle. There we go. Oh man. Oh, look at all those waffles. That's all I care about. Give me waffles. We're so excited. Aww. Oh goodness. So cute. Oh my goodness. Yay. It's so wonderful to meet you. Have you seen Stitch today? Is he getting into trouble? Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm sure he's just causing the biggest trouble everywhere. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, so cute.
Hey, thank you.
My glass to go back.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yay. Thank you, Lilo. Oh my god, you're so cute. I love your lei. I know, you're very in the spirit. Oh, you're doing the hula. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Oh. Uh-oh. Got distracted. Hi, Stitch. We just met Lilo. Yeah.
Mice are my favorite thing in the world.
Yes, she's obsessed.
I'm obsessed with mice.
And
I love mice.
you're her favorite.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Thank you. Monorail's here. Yay. We're going to go over to the Grand Floridian. Get some gingerbread. Yum. Oh boy. Man, that's pretty.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow. Look at all the detail.
I know. It's amazing.
Dang. Aww. Look at the Christmas tree up there.
Oh, look at all the little poinsettia flowers.
I know, they're beautiful.
I could make those. Wow.
And there's the gingerbread house.
Yay.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Wow. There are resort-specific lounge flights at some of the resorts, and this is the ones for the Grand Floridian. Hi. Also, here's me. Yay, I'm wearing my tiki room dress today. But yeah, they got ears too. Very pretty. I bought a swimsuit here that I love. Love the store. There we go. Now you can see my Ohana outfit. Wearing my tiki dress. Hair's actually stayed purple through the whole time. Mama wearing her Moana dress. We were very festive. Ohana was fine. We waited an hour for our table. Reservation was at 11:30. Got seated about 12:30. And service not so great. No refills on any of the food whatsoever. Yeah, so food just tasted good. Mostly it was about the company. Having lunch with Beth and Phil. Very fun. It was a good time. Characters were good. Food tasted good, what we got of it. Yeah. But don't think we'll go back again. Just for the service. Not so great. Womp womp. But it was a fun afternoon seeing friends, for sure. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, oh, so fancy, just like this guy here. Oh, oh, thank you. Yeah.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So jump in bed, cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
I love when friends come together at Christmas time.
That's what makes the holidays so special. Whether you're far apart
Or making new traditions.
or visiting with old friends,
Wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It's in the singing of a street corner choir.
it's going home and getting warm by the fire.
It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas.
A cup of kindness that we share with another.
A sweet reunion with a friend or a brother.
In all the places you find love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made clear. It is the season of the spirit, the message, if we hear it, is make it last all year. A child that will always remember. It's the summer of the snow in December. It's when you do your best for love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made clear. It is the season of the spirit, the message, if we hear it, is make it last all year. It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. Good night, everyone.
So glad you could join us.
Season greetings.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
One day later.
Good morning from a still cloudy Polynesian. I don't think we saw the sun the entire week. Maybe a little bit the first day when we landed, then it just immediately started raining and it didn't stop for 7 days. Oh my gosh, these horns. Okay, so I forgot my camera when we went to the Christmas party last night. By the time I realized we were boarding the monorail and I wasn't going to go back, so it ended up working out because, again, it rained all night last night. So it wouldn't have been a good day to have my camera out anyways. So plus I filmed the Tuesday night party. So we kind of just repeated our favorites last night, which was great. We got to ride Tron again, which is amazing. And I rode Space Mountain, and we did Haunted Mansion, and we saw the fireworks from in front of the plaza, which was really nice. So we found a ledge so Mom could sit, and it was great. Still a little hazy because of the humidity, so it was a little hard to see the fireworks in the projections. Not as bad as what it was the night before, but still it was pretty hazy. And then we saw the second parade, which is a little modified due to the rain, but at least it did go off. So it was a bit of a bummer. It's just rain was the theme of the week. All the news forecasts were like, oh, this is historical, you know. It's been cloudy and rainy for a whole week and nobody's seen the sun, and oh gosh. So anyways, lucky us. That's just how it goes. So I did have a few clips, as you saw, from the party. Most notably the country bars from before the parade were hilarious. But yeah, otherwise we had a great night, got some more cookies, and we made the best of it. We stayed till midnight, so we stuck it out in the rain. Got our money's worth. But yeah, anyways, we are checking out today and on our way home to a cold Wisconsin. Yay. At least we're flying first class, so there's that. Anyways, this is signing off from Disney World for the foreseeable future. Our annual passes expired yesterday. Womp womp. So, goodbye everybody. It's been great.